There's got to be a better way to get audio when you're moving fast with spectacles. Can you even hear me? Hello? These are Snapchat spectacles, sunglasses made by Snap Inc. that record video with this little lens right here. And they work great, except for when it's really windy, like when you're snowboarding. Or electric skateboarding. What a gorgeous day outside. Feels like every day is a good day to ride an electric skateboard in California. The microphone hole is tiny, like on most digital cameras, but plenty of solutions already exist for this sort of thing, like these, the Rycoat Micro Windjammers. It comes with these adhesives that you stick on, and then you put the fur cover on that, and you're good to go. You don't hear any of the wind noise right now. There's plenty of wind on my body, but I'm going pretty fast, and you can hear me. So it works, and it works well, but this fur definitely gets in the way, so I think I'm gonna cut it down even further. But I'm gonna use this. So next time you decide to take your spectacles jet skiing or skydiving, or if you're just chilling on your yacht and you wanna get rid of the wind noise, you know what to do.